Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock down your Mac using built-in macOS security features, so you can protect your data, your privacy, and your device with just a few simple settings. Whether you're security conscious or just want extra protection, this is definitely worth setting up. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. From there, scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Now on the right side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see an option called Lockdown Mode. Go ahead and click on it. Here you can turn Lockdown Mode on. Once enabled, your Mac will restrict certain features, apps, and web technologies to reduce the risk of targeted attacks. So just keep in mind, some websites, apps, or features may not work exactly the same anymore, but that's the trade-off for much stronger security. If you want more details about what's affected, you can click on Learn More to see a full breakdown. Now before you leave this page, here are a few quick extra tips to make your Mac even more secure. First, enable File Vault. This encrypts your entire disk, so your data stays protected even if your Mac is lost or stolen. Second, use a strong and unique password, not something simple. Ideally, use a mix of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and symbols. And finally, only install apps from trusted sources, and regularly review app permissions right here in the Privacy and Security section. A few small changes like these can go a long way in keeping your Mac safe. And that's it. Your Mac is now much more secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.